Snooker Canada is very happy to announce that they have 4 internationally certified coaches. One from Holland, Mr. Corne, one from India, Mr. Hemant, one from Pakistan, Mr. Khawar Abbas, and another one is also from Pakistan, Mr. Faisail Waheed. They have all gone through our intensive training adapting AQ Snooker's coaching method. All these 4 coaches have been trained professionally by AQ's coaching method, and now they're fully capable of helping their own students, or they can even find a job any part of the world. They've gone through a very tough examination before earning their certificate. So they are in Snooker Canada's database, they are in Snooker Canada's team. You can also become part of it. Send us an email or send us a WhatsApp message and join Snooker Canada's international coaching program. It does not matter where you live. It does not matter what your language is. You can be part of Snooker Canada's international coaching program. So join now.